Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this app cannot be downloaded in your device. So first of all, this happens when you have a unstable Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Then head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below, select your apps. And here search for Google Play Store. So simply type in Play Store, you will see Google Play Store. Tap onto it. And if it's still not working, there might be some issue. So let's go ahead and update our settings. Tap on Uninstall Updates. It will ask you if you would like to revert this to factory version. Select OK. Once done, select Google Play Services. Here, scroll below, select Storage and clear the cache. Please select Force Stop, then select OK. And once done, restart your device. Launch a Play Store, try again, and it will work. Thank you for watching.